All right, traders, happy hump day. It's Wednesday here. We're waiting for Jerome Powell to speak still, but I just kind of wanted to run over a couple of things this morning just because, I guess. Well, starting off with NDX, the NASDAQ top 100, you can see we had gap down this week, and then finally we got a gap up. And I think from the looks of the start today, I mean, we got a lower low, but I think it's still going to be kind of trading in a, in maybe a little widened channel than what we, have showing right now. Because right now it's 8 o'clock Pacific time around there, but we'll see what's that. It's like 10, 11 o'clock Eastern, so almost midday. I think we might widen this channel a little bit, but we're probably going to be. I think we're going to be kind of flatlining across here, if I was to guess. Or either that, or we're going to eat down a little bit further here in the next half hour, and then might bounce up for the end of the day. We'll see. And SPX looks pretty similar. Another gap up. And from the looks of this, it kind of looks like to me it's just going to kind of snake through here. Maybe like what it did here for a little bit, and maybe we'll see if it goes up. It might actually go up, but depending on what Powell has to say, we'll have to see. But I just kind of want to touch base on a couple things. I'm going to jump over to Boeing first. I really like what Boeing's doing. I mean, I drew this line. This trend line was just kind of a marker for me because this is what the close, a Friday, and then this is Monday, fought back down. I didn't just kind of use that as like a little ruler or just, to see kind of where I think it might, the low of the day might be. And I'm kind of thinking, since this is the high and after hours up there at the end of the trend line there, you move that to the beginning. I think, we might have a low of 195 potentially, and I'm going to be trying to enter this trade. But at the same time, I think it could bounce. It could bounce a little earlier than that. I mean, honestly, I would have been happy to get 196. I didn't, but I'll be waiting for a little bit, see what I think it's going to do. And then I want to jump over to talk about Tesla real quick. Woohoo! Got a huge gap up today. And the same thing, I mean, I think it's going to follow that NDX pattern I was talking about where it was trading back and forth. I mean, I think it's going to kind of snake through here today. It might actually we might just kind of see an overall downtrend today. But I would still like to pick some up maybe at the end of the day because I think it's going to gap up again like it did here. I mean, we traded really well. It fought down a little bit in the beginning after hours yesterday, but I mean, then just cranked right out of that. So I'm loving it. It's looking like a red candle right now, but I'm hoping we flip that color to green by the end of the day. So, all right, I'll touch base with you guys after Jerome Powell speaks. Catch you guys later.